Hi dear friends, today I'll inform you about ChatterPix. You can take a new photo or just choose from your gallery. I'll choose my moment cam avatar from the gallery. I'll click on the camera icon and choose my photo, then we should click on the next. Now we will make our picture speak by adding a line as a mouth. Now, then you or your students can introduce themselves by clicking on the microphone icon. Hello, my name is Tuba. I'm from Turkey. Blah blah. Now let's listen it. Hello, my name is Tuba. I'm from Turkey. Blah blah. Again, click on the next. You can add some clip image, text, etc. And again, click on the next. Now you can download your speaking avatar to your phone. That's all. Let's check it. Yeah, it's there. Hello, my name is Tuba. I'm from Turkey. Blah blah. Thank you.